the Ricky Gold palette, the master version. That all over my lips, outline the lips. Hey you guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing a very pretty natural glam look. I already have my face done and my eyebrows. I have some lip gloss on my lips and some mascara. But now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I can make this a little bit glam. I'm going to be using my Naked palette Heat, and I'm just going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that the palettes usually come with. I love these because it has a tapered brush on the side and a blendable brush, and I'm going to just spray them with my brush cleaner because I noticed there's still some product left from the last time I used it, and we don't want to mix those colors up. So I'm just cleaning my brush really fast, and I really love this brush cleaner, you guys. Shout out to Amanda for putting me onto this. It smells great and it takes the makeup off, like it just melts it away. Okay, before I forget you guys, I need to add my Urban Decay eyeshadow potion primer on my lids because I was about to get started and I didn't even have that on yet. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with this brush that I purchased at Burlington. It's a BB brush set that must have been about maybe 15 bucks at the most. And it doesn't have a number, but these type of brushes work really well for blending out your primers on your lids. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go back and use my ounce color on my brow bone. And then I'm gonna go for a chaser and just put it right here and blend it out a little bit. I want to keep the eye inner corner really bright. Then I'm gonna go to what color should I use? Let's see. I'm gonna go with Dirty Talk, actually. No, let's go with Cayenne. It's just this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply it on my crease ever so lightly to get that fire. Gonna add some fire to this. So this look is literally gonna be fire, you guys, like literally. And I'm just blending very, very lightly, very light strokes. Then I'm gonna do the same to this other eye over here. So this video is really like a perfect example on how to go from day to night makeup. And I hope you guys try to recreate this look and you tag me in your videos and your pictures. You know where to reach me on Instagram under at Lenas_Dolce_Vita. Make sure you follow me, and if you do recreate these looks, you tag me so that I can look at them and admire your artistic work. Because I know I got some really artistic subscribers that get down with the makeup. I'm really feeling it, you guys. I feel like it's gonna turn out super pretty. Now I'm gonna go back with the other taper side, and I'm gonna use the same cayenne color and just apply it down here on my lower lash line. And I really like this brush because it applies it and then it also blends it out. So it's like 2-in-1. So right now I'm just applying heat on my crease. And no, I'm sorry. Right now I'm just applying Dirty Talk on my crease. Putting some more cayenne and blending it. Now I'm going to be using this brush that's by She Makeup. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to be using that to blend. There's absolutely no product on there. Just blending out very lightly. And the same thing, I'm going to repeat it over here. Just blending out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer and repeat the steps. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my ounce and set that. Going back with my Heat Devil and blending this out. Then back with Cayenne and blending out. And it's coming all together, you guys. Now I'm gonna need you guys to give me some ideas so that I can keep coming to you guys with some bomb looks. You know, anything is inspiration. So if you find anything that you think you'd like to see me recreate, or any looks or products that you'd like me to try, please send them my way. I'm gonna wet my brush. I've been doing my makeup, you guys, for a long time, and you know, I always like to try new products and not really stick to the same ones, because then I wouldn't be learning about like the new trends or anything. But I feel like if you maintain yourself open to ideas and new products, there's always room for growth, and that's definitely me. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I started out with my Heat palette from Urban Decay, and I went ahead and applied my Urban Decay Potion Primer on my lids. Then I set it with Ounce. I applied some chaser on my lids as well. And I went ahead and used Cayenne on my crease. Blended that. Then did Heat Devil on my crease. Blended that. I added concealer to my halo crease. And I set that with Ounce. Then I overlapped that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills from Amrezy, and that's just gonna give it that extra glow. Right now I'm just wearing regular mascara. Oh wait, you guys, I also did apply Cayenne down here, so I'm gonna apply Dirty Talk at the bottom. Because I did apply Dirty Talk to the top also. Isn't that so pretty, you guys? Like, so neutral and natural. I am gonna apply some falsies, and then I want to say that this look is complete. I'm not going to be putting any eyeliner. If I had a brown eyeliner, I would probably put it down there, but I only have a black one right now, so I don't want to ruin the colors that I have going on. I'm going to put some duo glue on my Ardell lashes. What are some lashes that you guys like to wear? I personally love the Huda Beauty one. Not the individual ones, not like the ones that come in like 3 strips. I don't really like those. I find them hard to put on. But the other ones, like, as long as they're really like full and fluffy and, you know, just extra, I will wear them. And the Lily's Miami style, that one's my go-to as well. But I'm really trying to venture out and try new things, so let me know if you guys have any suggestions for me. Okay, so now I'm just going to be putting on my lashes. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Guys, so now that I made it this far, I went ahead and applied my falsies, and now I'm just gonna blend them in with my mascara. This is also gonna help them stick together, and then just blend with my real ones so that they look a little bit more like they're mine. I mean, they are mine. I bought them, but you know what I mean. So here's a challenge, you guys. How many of you guys think that you can put on your mascara without like making funny faces, like, or whatever? What face you make while you're putting on your mascara, huh? Let me know. Tag me in some pictures. I always find those so fun and interesting. So I did get some on my skin here. I'm gonna just grab a wipey. And while I'm here, you know what? I'm gonna just clean it because I want it to look super defined. And clean it also here. Then I'm just gonna go in with my my foundation brush and clean that up. Blend that in together. Then with my whatever brush this is, just to blend that, you know. You want to have a clean face look, like super cut, super clean, not messy, not sloppy. Alright, you guys, there you have it.